This is an exfoliating brush to remove ingrown hairs as well as prevent razor bumps too. It's also great for unclogging pores and removing dead skin. This is made for both women and men too. You can use this on your face, your armpits, your legs, even your bikini area, and anywhere else that you want to massage and remove dead skin cells as well as prevent ingrown hairs. It has a whole bunch of gentle silicone bristles. All you have to do is put it on your skin and massage it in a gentle motion. And do this about 10 to 15 times per area for smooth skin. Smooth skin is just a brush away. This is great to use before shaving, waxing, electrolysis, even suntans too. You can also use this wet or dry. And for optimal results, use this twice daily. You can hold the exfoliating brush like this or put it between your hands. And very easy to use, and I definitely recommend it. I was sent this by Dylonic for evaluation purposes, and I really like it, and I think you will too. Thank you for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.